Meaning of finishing school.
Finishing school.
Finishing school.
Finishing school.
Finishing school. Finishing school typically refers to a private institution that provides social education and etiquette training for young women from affluent families. The aim of finishing school is to prepare these women for high society events, such as formal dinners, debutante balls, and other social functions. The desired result of attending finishing school is to refine and polish one's manners, social skills, and overall demeanor to become a graceful and elegant member of society. Ultimately, finishing school graduates are expected to carry themselves with poise and confidence in any social setting.